Hi guys, today we're going to be teaching you how to make this leather jewelry roll. It's perfect for if you wear a bunch of jewelry when you travel and you don't want all your necklaces getting tangled or your rings getting lost in your bag. So first you're going to take two 8.5 by 11 inch pieces of leather, and one you're going to leave whole and the other one you're going to cut apart to make the different pieces for your leather wrap. So I just used a scrap piece of board and a rotary cutter, and then I just would measure out and mark the pieces and cut out whatever sizes I wanted for the layout of my jewelry wrap. For the pieces for the earrings, I'm just going to measure out and mark where I want the holes to go, and then I'll use a leather punch to punch out small holes for the earring to fit through. And then once I have all my pieces cut out, I'm just gonna lay them out on the full-size sheet of leather, and I'll pin them in place and just decide what sides I want sewn, and then what sides I'm gonna use different leather tools so that they're snaps or whatever it is so that I can undo it and slide jewelry on and off. And then I'll just sew each piece in place. So then I'm just going to use a leather punch to attach the button studs at different spots just as a closure, so I can open these back up when I need to and then close them for travel.